Welcome to the ultimate guide for cooking the perfect steak at home. We'll share easy tips to achieve juicy, flavorful results every time. Let's begin. In this video, we'll take you through the steps, from choosing the right cut of steak to the perfect cooking techniques. So, grab your apron and let's get started. It all starts with selecting the right cut of steak. Based on your preference, you can choose a rich ribeye, a lean sirloin, or a tender filet mignon. For those who love a marbled and flavorful steak, the ribeye is a great choice. If you prefer a leaner option with a robust taste, go for the sirloin. And for a luxurious and tender cut, the filet mignon is the way to go. Now, let's prepare the steak. Take it out of the fridge 30 minutes before cooking to bring it to room temperature. This allows the steak to cook more evenly and enhances its flavor. Pat it dry with a paper towel to remove excess moisture, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides. Simple seasoning allows the natural flavors to shine through. For the best results, use a heavy skillet or cast iron pan. This helps create a beautiful crust and evenly cooks the steak. A heavy skillet or cast iron pan is essential for achieving a perfect sear and even cooking.
Heat the pan over high heat until it's almost smoking. This creates the perfect cooking surface for your steak. Now, let's cook the steak. Place it in the hot pan and let it sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side without moving it. This creates a beautiful crust.
Don't be afraid to let it sizzle and caramelize. That's where the flavor comes from.
For extra flavor, add a knob of butter, some minced garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Then, baste the steak with the melted butter and herbs. Basting the steak helps distribute flavor and keeps it moist. Once the steak is cooked to your desired doneness, remove it from the pan and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, resulting in a more tender and flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to serve your perfectly cooked steak. Slice it against the grain and enjoy with your favorite sides. For a beautiful presentation, arrange the sliced steak on a plate, garnish with fresh herbs, and drizzle with your favorite sauce. Your masterpiece is ready to be savored. This video was created using Gemini and Google Vids.